I know how annoying it is when your Kia Soul's Bluetooth won't connect, but don't stress, let's get it working again fast. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and that it's not already connected to another device. Next, sit in your Kia Soul with the car turned on and go to the main menu on your touchscreen. Select Setup, then tap Bluetooth. Now, look for your phone's name on the list of paired devices. If it's there, tap it and select Delete or Remove. This clears out any old connection errors. On your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and also delete Kia Motors or Kia Soul from your list. Then restart your phone. Go back to your car's Bluetooth menu and tap Add New Device or Pair New Device. On your phone, search for Bluetooth devices and select Kia Soul when it pops up. Enter the pairing code shown on your car's screen, usually a simple 4-digit number. Once you're paired, test your connection by playing music or making a call. If it still doesn't work, try turning both your car and phone off, then back on. And that's it. Your Kia Soul Bluetooth should now be working smoothly. If you still have trouble, check your car's manual or visit your local Kia dealer for extra help.